Welcome to this video, where we will take you on a virtual tour of some of the best places to visit in England. From picturesque countryside landscapes to vibrant cities and historic landmarks, England has a lot to offer for travelers of all interests. England is a country that's steeped in history and culture, and its landscapes are some of the most stunning in the world. From the rolling hills of the Cotswolds to the rugged coastline of Cornwall, England has something to offer every kind of traveler. Join us as we explore the beauty of England's diverse regions, learn about the country's rich cultural heritage and traditions, and discover hidden gems that are waiting to be explored. In this video, we'll take you to some of England's most iconic locations, such as the bustling capital city of London, with its iconic landmarks like the Tower Bridge. We'll take you to the scenic Lake District, where you can hike through breathtaking scenery and spot local wildlife. So let's get started to explore some of the best places to visit in England. Number 1. Lake District. The Lake District in England is a beautiful destination to visit, with stunning scenery, charming villages, and plenty of outdoor activities. Here are some places you may want to consider visiting. The largest lake in England. Lake Windermere is a popular spot for boating, fishing, and other water activities. A charming town located at the northern end of Lake Windermere, Ambleside offers scenic walks, good food, and plenty of shops. Located in the Northern Lake District, Keswick is a popular destination for hikers and climbers. The town has a wide range of accommodation options and plenty of outdoor activities. Coniston Water, a picturesque lake with stunning scenery and plenty of outdoor activities, including hiking, boating, and fishing. Grasmere, a pretty village that was once home to the poet William Wordsworth. The village has a good range of shops, cafes, and restaurants, as well as some lovely walks. Ullswater, a beautiful lake with stunning scenery and plenty of outdoor activities, including hiking, boating, and fishing. Number 2. Tower Bridge. A well-known landmark in London, England, is the Tower Bridge. It connects the neighborhoods of Tower Hamlets and Southwark by spanning the River Thames with a combination bascule and suspension bridge. Visitors are welcome on the bridge, which has a number of observation decks, including high-level walkways and Victorian engine rooms that house the bridge's original steam-powered machinery. The bridge is a well-liked location for pictures, since it offers views of the Thames River and the metropolitan skyline. One of London's most recognizable sights, Tower Bridge is a must-see for tourists. The bridge, which was finished in 1894, is regarded as a triumph of Victorian engineering. Two walkways that cross the bridge's two towers above the river provide stunning views of the city. The original steam-powered equipment that was used to raise and lower the bridge's bascules is still on display in the Victorian engine rooms, which are open to visitors. Number 3. Liverpool Cathedral. Liverpool Cathedral is a magnificent building that is definitely worth a visit. Liverpool Cathedral is one of the largest cathedrals in the world, with a height of 188 feet. It was built in a Gothic style and has stunning stained glass windows and intricate carvings. One of the most popular attractions at Liverpool Cathedral is the Tower Tour. Visitors can climb to the top of the tower and enjoy spectacular views of the city. Liverpool Cathedral hosts a variety of events throughout the year, including concerts, exhibitions, and special services. The cathedral's crypt is the largest in the UK and is home to a number of interesting exhibits, including a collection of vestments and artifacts. The cathedral has a rich history, having been built over the course of 74 years, from 1904 to 1978. Its construction was interrupted by 2 world wars. The cathedral is an active place of worship and welcomes visitors to attend services. Number 4. Tower of London. In the center of London, there is a medieval castle called the Tower of London. It is one of the city's most visited tourist destinations and offers a range of things to see and do, such as tours of the castle's many structures, displays of royal armor and weapons, and the opportunity to see the renowned crown jewels. The White Tower of the castle, which includes exhibits on its history and the people who have lived and worked there throughout the ages, is another area that visitors can explore. The number of tourists permitted inside the castle is restricted. Therefore, you must buy a ticket in advance to see the Tower of London. Since William the Conqueror constructed the Tower of London in the 11th century, it has a lengthy and illustrious history. Among other things, it served as a treasury, a prison, a royal menagerie, and a royal residence. Number 5. Big Ben. The Great Bell, located on the clock at the north end of the Palace of Westminster in London, is known as Big Ben, one of the most recognizable structures in the city and a representation of British culture. The base of the clock tower provides visitors with a close-up view of the clock face and its four 23-foot diameter dials. In contrast, due to ongoing repair work, Big Ben is not currently accessible to the general public for tours or climbing to the top of the tower. The clock tower is still accessible for tourists to photograph and enjoy from the outside. The clock is most visible at night when it is illuminated and seen from a distance. Number 6. Stonehenge. Stonehenge is an ancient prehistoric monument located in Wiltshire, England. It is a popular tourist destination and attracts millions of visitors every year. Visiting Stonehenge can be a memorable and enriching experience. With a little planning and preparation, you can make the most of your visit and gain a deeper appreciation of this ancient monument. Stonehenge is located in a rural area and transportation options can be limited. If you don't have access to a car, consider taking a bus or joining a tour group. The area around Stonehenge is home to several other prehistoric sites and attractions. Consider exploring nearby sites such as Avebury and Silbury Hill to get a deeper understanding of the area's history and culture. Stonehenge hosts several special events throughout the year, such as the summer and winter solstices. These events offer a unique opportunity to experience the site's spiritual and cultural significance. Number 7. Cotswolds. The Cotswolds is a beautiful area of England known for its picturesque villages, rolling hills, and charming countryside. Bourton-on-the-Water, often referred to as the Venice of the Cotswolds due to its beautiful bridges and pretty riverside walks. Stow-on-the-Wold, a charming market town with a large town square, historic buildings, and great shopping. Chipping-Campden, a quaint village with beautiful Cotswold stone buildings, stunning gardens, and a rich history. Beebury, a charming village that is home to Arlington Row, one of the most photographed streets in England. Burford, a historic town with a beautiful high street, charming shops, and great places to eat. Broadway, known for its picturesque streets and stunning views, this village is a must-visit for any Cotswold trip. Cirencester, the largest town in the Cotswolds with a rich history, a beautiful church, and great places to eat and drink. Sudeley Castle, a stunning castle that is open to the public and boasts beautiful gardens, a rich history, and great views. Number 8. Hadrian's Wall. Hadrian's Wall is a fascinating and unique historical site that offers a glimpse into the ancient world. Whether you're interested in history, hiking, or just enjoying the beautiful English countryside, there's something for everyone to enjoy. The best way to experience Hadrian's Wall is to visit the many Roman forts and museums that are located along the wall. These include Hausted's Roman Fort, Vindolanda, and the Roman Army Museum. There are many walking trails that follow the length of Hadrian's Wall, allowing you to experience the wall and its surrounding landscape up close. The most popular trail is the Hadrian's Wall Path, which runs for 84 miles from coast to coast. There are many towns and cities near Hadrian's Wall that are worth visiting, including Newcastle, Carlisle, and Hexham. These places offer a range of attractions, from museums and galleries to shops and restaurants. Throughout the year, there are many events and reenactments held along Hadrian's Wall, bringing the Roman era to life. Check local listings for details. Number 9. The Roman Baths. The Roman Baths in Bath, England, are an excellent historical site to visit. The baths are a well-preserved Roman site that showcases the ancient Roman way of life and their advanced engineering skills. The site features 4 main features: the sacred spring, the Roman temple, the Roman bathhouse, and the museum. Visitors can explore the beautifully preserved ruins of the bathhouse, which includes the Great Bath, the Hot Bath, and the Tepid Bath. They can also view the Roman temple, which was dedicated to the goddess Sulis Minerva, and the sacred spring, which was believed to have healing properties. The museum displays a collection of Roman artifacts, including coins, jewelry, and sculptures. Visitors can also learn about the history of the baths and the Roman era in Bath through interactive exhibits and displays. Overall, the Roman Baths in Bath England, is a fascinating and informative historical site to visit, and it is highly recommended for anyone interested in ancient Roman history and architecture. Number 10. York Minster. York Minster is a stunning medieval cathedral located in the heart of the city of York, in the north of England. It is one of the largest Gothic cathedrals in Europe and is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in architecture, history, and religion. The Great East Window is impressive stained glass window is one of the largest in the world and tells the story of the Bible from creation to the end of the world. The tower offers breathtaking views of York and the surrounding countryside. The climb is steep and challenging, but well worth the effort. York Minster is an active church and hosts regular services and concerts throughout the year. The Chapter House is a beautiful circular room that features stunning vaulted ceilings and intricate stone carvings.